Hey, good afternoon everybody. This is John again from Volkswagenplanet, and today I was cleaning out the garage and the storage sheds, and I came across something pretty interesting that I wanted to share with you guys. I came across two ashtrays for a 1968 Beetle, and I kept looking at them, and couldn't figure out why they were different. And let me show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. And which one is in your car, and do you have the correct ashtray in your car to begin with? Now, these two are out of two different cars, of course, but what's the difference? There's obviously some big difference. This right here looks like a sticker, even though it's not a sticker. That's actually part of the ashtray itself and is not an aftermarket piece. The same with this one. I can 99.99% guarantee this is a factory piece also, given what car it came out of. So do you see what I'm looking at? It's not a reverse sticker, it's not a reverse negative, nothing like that. But today's trivia question: what is this car and what is that car? What are these ashtrays out of? Why are they different? Please subscribe, like, thumbs up, thumbs down, and comment below what your answer is. You guys have a good day, and we'll catch you on the next video.